Many people, nervous or anxious during the test, get this question wrong because they solve it this way. Here we have 10 divided by 5 divided by 10 divided by 5. The guy gets here and does this. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. You're going to be caught off guard. You're going to get the question wrong. If you miss a question like this during the exam, you could end up losing your chance at a position through the civil service exam. So pay attention to how to solve this. Look, every time we have an expression that involves division and multiplication, we solve it in the order the operations appear. So you always have to solve it in the order it appears. That's when we have division and multiplication. So solving here in the order it appears, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. I'll put it here. It's 2 divided by 10 divided by 5. I copy the rest over. All right, let's keep solving here in the order the operations appear. All right, so let's solve 2 divided by 10. Let's write this as a fraction here. 2 divided by 10 divided by 5 here. I copy the rest over. We have a division of fractions here. Division of fractions, we have a few different ways to solve it. Solving by the traditional method, division of fractions, we repeat the first fraction and multiply by the inverse of the second. Since we don't have any denominator on the 5 here, we can put 1. 5 is the same as 5. So let's go. Let's repeat the first fraction. 2 over 10, multiply it by the inverse of the second. I'll flip it, 1 over 5, all right? Now we have a multiplication of fractions. We multiply the top by the top. 2 times 1 equals 2, I'll put it here, over 10 times 5, 50. 2 over 50 or 2/50ths, we can simplify by 2. Simplifying by 2, it will be 1 over 25. That's in fraction form. Now, if you want it in decimal form, you just have to divide. Dividing here, 1 divided by 25, 1 doesn't work. So I'll put the 0 point and add a 0 here in the dividend. Can 25 go into 10 yet? No. I add another 0 here and another 0 down here. Now, 100 divided by 25 is 4 times. 25 is 100. 100 leaves 0 as the remainder. In other words, 1 over 25 in decimal form is the same as 0.04, okay? And you got it. Whether in fraction form or decimal form, you nailed the question. So, how did you solve it? Tell me in the comments. We finished another explanation. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and support Professor Robson Lyers' channel. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing. Don't forget to share it on social media with your friends, all right? Best regards from Professor Robson Lyers. See you all in the next class.